Let's start our video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. Now let's come toward introduction. Welcome to a deep dive into the age of aerospace, a fascinating chronicle of how the aviation and space industries evolved, transforming the modern world. This 5-part documentary series unravels the milestones that shaped flight as we know it, focusing especially on Boeing's contributions. The origins of flight, a dream takes off. Flight's beginnings may be dated to the early 1900s, when pioneers like the Wright brothers helped to establish modern aviation. William Boeing established a modest aircraft manufacturing business in Seattle in 1916, first building wooden and seaplanes. Boeing became a major force in aviation over time, helping to hasten the advancement of flying technology. In the early days of aviation, metal-engineered airplanes that could fly faster, further, and more consistently replaced brittle, handcrafted wooden planes. The military and commercial developments that would influence air travel in the future were made possible by this shift, which signaled the start of a new era in aviation. World Wars, the military power of the skies. As nations fought for air domination during World Wars I and II, military aviation developed at a never-before-seen rate. Boeing became a major player by creating essential aircraft like the B-29 Superfortress and the B-17 Flying Fortress. Long-range missions, strategic bombing operations, and the development of air combat tactics all benefited greatly from the contributions of these bombers. The jet age, which brought quicker and more potent jet engines to military aviation, began in the post-war era. Leading nations' worldwide air dominance was cemented when jets increased air missions range and impact in addition to their speed and performance. The development of commercial aviation was directly impacted by advancements in military aviation. By adapting technologies like better aerodynamics, radar systems, and jet propulsion for civilian usage, air transport became safer, quicker, and more effective. The foundation for contemporary airplanes was established by this collaboration between military and commercial aviation, which also made aviation a worldwide industry and completely altered how people interacted and traveled. The jet age and the dawn of commercial air travel. The first commercially successful airliner, the Boeing 707, was introduced in 1958, marking the start of the jet age. By significantly cutting journey times and boosting passenger capacity, its launch signaled a sea change in aviation. Mass air travel was made possible by the 707, which made air travel quicker, more dependable, and available to a wider audience. By providing long-distance flights that connected cities across continents, airlines were able to reduce the size of the world and promote international trade and travel. Boeing transformed air travel once more in 1970, when it introduced the Boeing 747, the first jumbo jet in history. The 747 launched an age of international travel and reduced the cost of long-haul flights with its double-deck layout and capacity of over 400 people. These innovations not only transformed the aviation industry, but also made air travel a central part of modern life, bringing people, cultures, and economies closer together like never before. Space exploration. Reaching for the stars. Boeing was a key player in the Apollo program, helping to develop and build the formidable Saturn V rocket that sent humans to the moon in 1969. This collaboration with NASA established the groundwork for future space exploration and was a historic accomplishment. Boeing backed the transition to reusable spacecraft during the Space Shuttle era, which allowed for more frequent trips and improvements in satellite placement. By supplying essential parts and maintenance for the International Space Station, ISS, Boeing is still influencing the direction of space exploration today. In order to extend humanity's reach beyond Earth, Boeing and NASA are collaborating on ambitious plans for Mars exploration. Innovation in the modern era. Aerospace today and tomorrow. Boeing is still at the top of innovation today with the 787 Dreamliner, a groundbreaking airplane constructed from lightweight composite materials. By lowering carbon emissions and increasing fuel economy, this design raises the bar for ecologically beneficial air travel. Boeing is also developing contemporary military aircraft and autonomous drones, boosting defensive capabilities with state-of-the-art technology. In order to make space more accessible, Boeing sees an exciting future beyond Earth with space tourism and cutting-edge satellite systems. Additionally, the business is investigating hypersonic travel, which has the potential to significantly cut down on transcontinental flight times. However, sustainability remains a critical challenge. Boeing and the aviation industry are focusing on carbon-neutral technologies, such as sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, and electric aircraft, to reduce environmental impact. With these innovations, Boeing aims to meet the growing demands of air travel while tackling the challenges of climate change, leading the aerospace industry toward a more sustainable future. Why this story matters. Aviation and aerospace innovations have not only shrunk the world by making travel fast and affordable, but have also expanded our horizons, literally, through space exploration. Boeing's journey reflects the industry's triumphs and challenges, illustrating how human ingenuity continues to push the limits of flight.